Hello everyone, welcome to Google Cloud Platform Basics course. This is Islam Medhat. I am from Cairo in Egypt. I am a chatbot developer at Art Dimension company. I will be with you through this course to get in touch and know more about Google Cloud Platform Basics and how to use Google Cloud Platform. First of all, let me share with you the content of this course. This course includes two chapters. The first one include 5 skills or 5 sessions, and the second one include another 5 sessions. We will start with tour of Google Cloud Platform, then how to create a virtual machine and how to getting started with Cloud Shell. Then we will also know how to use Kubernetes engine and how to set up network HTTP load balancer. In the second part, we will know more about cloud storage and how to use Cloud IAM, which is Identity Access Management, how to give you another user access through your resource. We will also know what is Stack Driver and how to monitor our project in Google Cloud Platform with Stack Driver. Also, we will know what is Cloud Function Console and how to create a function. Then the last chapter will be about Google Cloud Pub and Sub. Bye bye.